family's journal. So being married into a Brahmin family myself, this is one dish I was bound to fall in love with. Because be it any festival or any other family function, this dish is always there on the menu. I hope you enjoy Fada Lapsi as much as I do. And if not, I'm sure you'll fall in love with this after watching this recipe. So without much further ado, let's get started.
So first we will prepare jaggery syrup, and for that I'm taking 3 cups of water and 1 cup of jaggery because I'm using coarse granules of broken wheat. But if you're going to use fine granules or small fada, please use 1 cup of water and 1 cup of jaggery. Now we do not have to boil this, just heat it until all the jaggery has melted. Once that is done, we will keep it aside and take a pressure cooker. Into that we will add ghee and let it all melt. Once it's melted properly, we will add all the chopped nuts to it and roast it for a while. This will give a nice flavor to the nuts. Once it's done, I'll keep aside some for garnishing. Now to this we will add our fada or broken wheat granules and we'll mix it and roast it for a while. Now to that we will add our jaggery syrup. Mix it all well. And close the pressure cooker lid, and then we will just cook it on low flame for just 1 whistle. That's it. After 5 to 10 minutes, open pressure cooker and we will add cardamom powder to it and mix it all well, and then we will let it sit for a while, around 5 minutes. Just close the pressure cooker and let it sit for another 5 minutes. That's it. Our Fada Lapsi is ready to be served.
So during lockdown, this had become my go-to sweet dish because you can make it in under no time and with very few ingredients. And the taste, absolutely delicious. So make sure you try this recipe and do not forget to share your experience in the comment section below so I can know whether you like it or not. And I'll see you in my next. Until then, eat healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.